Amana Error Code LC, or system lockout condition, indicates a fault in the lid lock mechanism of your Amana front load washer. This safety feature prevents the washer from operating if the lid is not properly secured, avoiding potential water leaks or injuries. The error means the control board has detected an issue with the lid lock switch. When LC appears, the washer typically displays LC on the panel. The lid might be unlocked physically but electronically locked, and the machine may beep or refuse to start a cycle. Common causes include a faulty lid lock switch, loose wiring, obstructions jamming the lock, power surges, unbalanced loads, or extended pauses during cycles. This error is common in models from the late 2010s to mid-2020s, like the Amana NFT5700BW or NT4516FW series. First, check for any obstructions around the lid lock area and ensure the lid closes completely. This simple inspection can often resolve the issue without further steps. If the error persists, perform a reset by unplugging the washer for 5 to 10 minutes. This can resolve temporary glitches in the control system. If the error persists, test the lid switch continuity using a multimeter. A working switch should show approximately 0 ohms resistance when locked. If the lid switch is faulty, the lid lock assembly may need replacement. Consult the wiring diagram for proper installation. Recent smart Amana washers may offer AI-assisted troubleshooting via the Whirlpool app, suggesting fixes in real time and potentially providing over-the-air firmware updates to resolve the issue automatically. User reports suggest a 60 to 70% success rate with DIY fixes. However, persistent LC codes, especially in newer smart models, might indicate a more complex issue requiring professional assistance.